JTMP was at Freedom Plaza in Washington, D.C. for a pro-democracy in Iran rally. These rallies were held in opposition to the rallies staged by the Iranian government marking the 30th anniversary of the student takeover of the American embassy in Iran.
No democracy, yes!
Down with Khomeini!
Down with Khomeini!
Down with Ahmadinejad!
Down with Ahmadinejad!
Down with Khomeini!
Down with Khomeini!
We were able to get an interview with one of the participants, and she explained the significance of the rally.
This is Justice Through Music, and we're here in Freedom Plaza today. It's November 4th, 2009, and there's a protest going on to support the people of Iran. Can you tell us what's going on here?
Well, we're here in solidarity, actually, with our fellow young Iranians in Iran who are today actually all over Iran and simultaneously all over the world. Actually, we've been organizing this for weeks, anticipating. As you know, or the world knows, today is the anniversary of the day of that where there was the hostage crisis with the American embassy in Tehran, 30 years ago, actually. And but Iranians have taken advantage of such a day because usually on this day, the Iranian government takes advantage of this day to bring a group of Iranians together to still protest and say death to America, death to America. Use this day for a slogan, actually. But the students mainly and the young Iranians, our fellow young Iranians, have turned today into actually a freedom day for Iran. Taking advantage of the cause of coming out, but yet instead of saying death to America, even though the thugs of the Islamic regime says death to America, they chant back death to Russia, because Russia has been really one of the only governments that closely right now, because of money, because of the oil revenue of Iran that the Islamic regime is flooding to that country, is really basically is hand in hand helping this Islamic regime. So today it was amazing, really. I mean, I don't know if you've seen clips coming out, but hundreds of thousands of young fellow Iranians had pictures, massive pictures of Khomeini that they stomped on it on the ground, and death to dictator, and down with the Islamic regime of Iran. And so we are actually here to basically support them. And in solidarity with them, we've come out also today.
Now, there was let me get this one. There were a lot of protests today in Iran, and the authorities were coming down pretty hard on them.
Well, what's new with authorities coming down? I mean, are you surprised? This barbaric Islamic regime of Iran had nothing, honestly, to the true meaning of barbarism. Barbaric Islamic regime of Iran. It's like synonymous. You can't say Islamic regime of Iran. You have to say barbaric Islamic regime of Iran. I mean, this is the kind of regime that if you say anything at all against how the situation is going in Iran, you're captured, your family is captured, you're put in Evin prison. Family never really has a chance. You don't have really the right. Human rights nowadays basically doesn't exist in Iran. It really doesn't. I mean, and you know what? Openly these days they talk about it, actually. They say the human rights of the West is not what Islam wants. This is a jihad, basically, meaning like it's amazing that they can do this kind of a killing and barbarism and do it in the name of a religion. Unbelievable.
What would you like to see Obama do?
Well, we like Obama to basically stress and stand up with the human rights of the people of Iran. Right now, basically, people were chanting today saying, Obama, yaba mas, yaba una, which means either Obama, you're with us or you're with them. So basically, they're just saying, Obama, we're watching you. So right now, you haven't really proven. So either you're with us or you're with the Islamic regime thugs. So you either stand up for human rights, you see the barbaric regime of Iran and the bloodshed and the bloodbaths they're running. We have been patient, Obama. So today they were openly chanting. It was amazing that most of their chants was about Obama. Obama, Yabauna, which means Obama, you're either with us or you're with them. So in a way, the cat is out of the hat for President Obama. They're just saying that, show your true face. We've given you all the credit and all the benefit of a doubt. You got a Nobel Peace Prize. That by itself is extra pressure for President Obama to really stand up for democracy and for human rights, which basically right now is non-existent in Iran.
What is your message for the regime over there? What would you tell them right now?
The message of the regime, really, that all of us, the majority of Iranians, really, all over the world and inside Iran and outside Iran, they are done with Islamic regime of Iran. No theocracy there. I mean, if there was even the slightest little fear of the unknown, you know, how they usually through religion, you're going to go to hell, and, now they've even lost that. Now everybody openly chanting death to Khamenei, chanting death to this regime, the Islamic regime. They're actually openly saying they want an Iranian presidential regime, meaning like not Islamic, a presidential regime, not an Islamic regime, but an Iranian one. In other words, meaning like you're an Arab, you're not Iranian. Iranians, by history and historically, Iranians, they were Zoroastrians. Islam forced itself on Iran about 1400 years ago. Islam basically burned, we are really the cornerstone of the civilization. The very first human rights declaration was made by Cyprus the Great. It came from Iran. Look at what's happening through this Islamic regime. You think these people would want to ever put up with this Islamic regime? They're done. They're done with Islam. That's one of the benefits of this regime during the last 30 years. Because if there was even doubts among some people, now they're all anti-Islam. They don't want theocracy. Absolutely no theocracy in the world.
Well, to end on, we're trying to get our videos out on the internet and sometimes seen overseas because people leave messages in Persian. Is there something like to say in Persian to people in Iran and let them know that you're out here for them or something?
هموطنان بسیار عزیز ما، هموطنان عزیز واقعا عزیزتر از جان ما ممنون و متشکر از شما هستیم. ما با شما هستیم. همینطور این مبارزه رو ادامه بدیم. پیروزی نزدیک. همه ما توی دنیا آزادی خواهان ایران عزیزمون دست به دست همدیگه دادیم. باید این رو ادامه بدیم، نبردمون رو ادامه بدیم تا روز پیروزی نزدیک. امیدوار باشیم و این نبرد رو ادامه بدیم با امید آزادی و پیروزی ایران.
Hey, excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.